Hello everyone, I'm Dori O'Neill, and today we're diving into an important comparison. Jack's digital ventures versus my own $5,000 plus master affiliate profits bonus package. If you're considering which path to take in your affiliate marketing journey, you'll want to hear this. Now let's be clear, Jack Miller is a good marketer. He knows his stuff and has a track record of success. However, I want to explore whether Jack will provide the same level of hands-on support that I offer to my Master Affiliate Profits members. A few months ago, Jack reached out to me regarding my YouTube viral funnel bonus. As you can see on the screen, here's what he said. Hi Dori, I'm very interested in your bonus. Your funnel looks great and I'm impressed. Sadly, I'm already a platinum member of Master Affiliate Profits. Would I be able to buy that funnel from you separately? To be honest, I was flattered that Jack wanted to purchase the funnel I created in collaboration with Mike Filsame, a funnel that I actually give away as a bonus. Now, I encourage you to do your own due diligence. Ask yourself, will Jack offer a similar bonus? Is Jack's only focus on Master Affiliate Profits, or does he attempt to sell other products? And what about support? Does Jack intend to offer you ongoing free support, like one-on-one training, live webinars, and access to free traffic software? Does he have dedicated employees ready to assist his MAP members? Let's recap what you'll get when you join Master Affiliate Profits through my affiliate link. First, as a paid member, you'll receive my $5,000 YouTube viral funnel, a tool designed to convert leads and educate potential customers about Master Affiliate Profits. Remember, this is the same funnel that Jack Miller was so impressed with, he asked if he could buy it from me. Second, I provide one-on-one training and live webinars to ensure you're never alone on your journey. This extra support package is available for free and paid MAP members. Plus, you'll get access to free traffic software to help you drive traffic to your MAP affiliate link, all backed by my dedicated support team. If you're ready to take advantage of this incredible opportunity, go to yesshowme.com/map to see the YouTube viral funnel bonus and everything else included when you become a paid member of my Master Affiliate Profits team. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights and tips. Leave a comment to help engage the MAP community, and make sure to like this video if you found the information helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.